Hi friends and families. Today we're gonna see the chapter 1 relations and functions exercise 1.1. Let's This is the first question. Find A Cartesian B, A Cartesian A and B Cartesian A if A is of this set and B is of this set. And the second question is to show that A equals B equals this set, then what is the result? And the third question is that if A is this set and B is of null set, then what is the result? Let's move on to the solution of each. Let's answer for first one. In this they have given A set has 2, minus 2, 3 and B has 1, minus 4. So we have to find A Cartesian B. So what is A? 2, minus 2, 3. Cartesian, what is B? 1, minus 4. So this A Cartesian B is nothing but the points in a Cartesian plane. So we have to write the points to mark in the Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane. This is your A and this is your B. So A should be your x coordinates and B should be your y coordinates. How we represent the Cartesian coordinates? X, y. So the first would be A and the second would be belonging to the B set. So 1. This is 1 point. And then the next one is x, y. So 2, minus 4. And now the 2 is completed. Next for minus 2, 1. Minus 2, minus 4. Then next would be your 3. 3, 1. 3, minus 4. So this is your A cross B answer. Now moving on to A cross A. Here A is given as 2, minus 2, 3. Cross A is 2, minus 2, 3. Now this first set is your x and this second set is your y. So x, y, 2, 2. Then 2, minus 2. 2, 3. Then move on to minus 2. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2, 3. Then move on to 3. 3, 2. 3, minus 2. 3, 3. So this would be your second answer. Then they are asking to find B cross A. So B cross A is nothing but B set is 1, minus 4 cross A set is 2, minus 2, 3. So this would be your x and this would be your y. So x, y. 1, 2. 1, minus 2. 1, 3. Next would be your minus 4. Minus 4, 2. Minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4, 3. So this would be your third set. So this would be the answer for the first one. Here we have proven A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. So moving on to the solution for second one. They have asked for A equals B equals P comma Q. Then find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Let's find that. Now it is A cross B. So here A is P comma Q. They have given same for B as well. So cross P comma Q. So what would be the sets here? P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. This would be your first set. And second one is A cross A. PQ and PQ. Here A is PQ and again A is PQ. This result would be same as the first one. So 1 would be the answer for A cross A. So here if we find B cross A also, then what would be the result? B is same as A, so the result would be same as this one. So now it is shown that in this sum, if we find that this would be same as 1. So from this sum we note that if A set and B set are equal, then A Cartesian B equal to B Cartesian A equal to A Cartesian A. All these would be same. This is a proven theory from this sum. Moving on to the third part. Third part is given as A set is M and N and B is of null set. So it is proven that if any one of A or B set is a null set, then A Cartesian B equals B Cartesian A equals a empty set. Would be a empty set. So the answer for A cross B or B cross A would be a null set. And then coming to A cross A set, M cross N cross M comma N. This set would be, this is your x coordinate and this is your y coordinate. So the points would be M comma M, M comma N, N comma M and N comma N. So from this we have completed the question 1. We are then moving on to the second question. Second question is let A equals 1, 2 and 3 and B equals x, whereas x is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. So here they have given, let's move on to the solution part. Here they have given the A set has 1, 2, 3 and B has x where x is a prime number less than 10. We know that prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by itself and by 1 and not by any other numbers. So what are the numbers which is less than 10, which is a prime number? We know that 2, 3, 5 and 7. Less than 10, it is 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are the prime numbers. Let's move on to the find part. They are asking us to find A cross B. So we know that the A set is 1, 2, 3. Cross B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. So here the first set is belonging to A. So A would be your X and B would be your Y coordinates. So first find it for number 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Moving on to the next X. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. And move on to the third. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. So this would be your A cross B answer. Let's move on to the next find. B cross A. So B would be your 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross A would be 1, 2, 3. Here we have to find B cross A. So B would be your X coordinates and A would be your Y coordinates. So first for 2 we write 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Next for 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Next for 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Next finally for 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. So this would be the answer for A cross B and B cross A. This would be your solution set. Let's move on to the third exercise question. They have asked us if B cross A is of these sets, then find A and B. Let's move on to the solution. Here B is given in the first and A is given in the second. So it means that B is equal to set of first coordinates of element A cross B. And here A is second, so it would be set of second coordinate of element A cross B. So let's find A. Let's find B. So it is set of first coordinates of element A cross B. So here first coordinates are what? -2, 0 and 3. We have to write the common ones only once. So -2, 0 and 3. This would be your B. And what is A? 3, 4. 3, 4, 3, 4. Write the common ones only once. So 3 and 4. This would be your B. This would be the answer for the third exercise question. Let's move on to the fourth exercise question. Here they have given if A is of this set and B is of this set, C is of this set, then show A cross B equals B cross B intersection C cross C. They are asking us to prove the left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Let's see. A cross A. So this first set would be your x coordinates and this second set would be your y coordinates. So we have written first for 5 cross 5, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, and then 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. This would be your left hand side. And then moving on to B cross B, we have written B cross B results. First you write it for 4 and then for 5 and then for 6. Here also for C cross C, we have written first for 5, then for 6 and then for 7. This is your result. Then they are asking us to prove B cross B intersection C cross C is equal to A cross A or not. Before moving to this, let's understand what is intersection. Let me draw two circles. What is this? This would be your common part for both the circles. So this would be called as intersection part. So then what is mean by union? Union, let's see through another circle. So this part would be your intersection part and this would be your common part. This would be your common part and this would belong to the A set and this would belong to the B set part. So all these complete set by writing the common set only once is called as union set. And if we write the common ones for A and B only once, then that is called as intersection set. So here we want to find the intersection part. So here in this 1 and 2, if we find the intersection part, means the common ones, let's find the common ones. Here we see 5 comma 5, here also we see 5 comma 5, here we see 5 comma 6, here also there is 5 comma 6, and then here we find 6 comma 5, here also we have 6 comma 5, then 6 comma 6, here also 6 comma 6. Rest all the points does not match, so we write only the matching ones only once. So 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. This would be your right hand side. So hence proved that LHS is equal to RHS, that is A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Let's move on to the fifth exercise question. It is given that A is of set 1, 2, 3, B is of set 2, 3, 5, C is of set 3, 4 and D is of set 1, 3, 5. And they are asking us to check if A intersection C. In the previous session we have seen that what is intersection, the common ones which we write only once. So let's find A intersection C here. What is A intersection C? If you see A set 1, 2 and 3, if you see C set it is 3, 4. What is common here? 3. So we write the common ones only once. So 3. And then what is B intersection D? We see the B is of 2, 3, 5 and here it is 1, 3, 5. So it is 3 and 5. Then find A intersection C cross B intersection D. So it is 3 cross 5. 3 comma 5, sorry. So 3 would be your x coordinate. So 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. This is your left hand side result. Then moving on to the right hand side, A cross B. A set is 1, 2 and 3 and B set is 2, 3 and 5. So A would be your x coordinate. So find it for 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5. And then find it for 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5. Then find it for 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Then they have asked C cross D. What is C? 3 comma 4 cross 1 comma 3 comma 5. So here C would be your x coordinate. So find it for 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. And then for 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. Now they have asked us to find the intersection of A cross B intersection C cross D. So let's find what is common here. We find the common ones is 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. Rest anything is matching? No. So we write the matching ones only once since it is a intersection part. So this would be your RHS. Therefore, hence proved that LHS is equal to RHS. What we proved? A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D.